Hey, my name is Nick, and I'm a researcher at the National Institutes of Health. Every living thing is made up of cells. In a fully grown adult, they have more cells in their entire body than there are stars in the galaxy. With so many cells around, some are bound to get sick. If a cell gets too sick, it can make the rest of your body sick. To keep you healthy, your body will tell a sick cell to destroy itself before it becomes a big problem. I've been studying one of the ways that a cell destroys itself. For the last couple of years, I've been using a super powerful microscope to look at one of the parts of your cells called the mitochondria. Your mitochondria live inside your cells and are held together by bags called membranes, kind of like the bags that candy comes in. When I looked at mitochondria in cells that were destroying themselves, I found that they had huge holes in their membranes. I think that these holes are responsible for releasing a poison into the rest of the cell that causes the sick cell to destroy itself. I want to understand more how these holes are formed so that we can better help the body to get rid of sick cells. Learning more about this process could help us to fight diseases like cancer that occur when your body doesn't properly get rid of the sick cells that it's supposed to.